Alright, so recently Smugit has released a really big update, and one of them I want to cover is the Imprint circuit, in which you can access it on the homepage, and you can access this on Imprint circuit. So once you come across this page, you will see a lot of nodes in here, and the branches are leading to the big ones, right? The big purple ones. So what does this do exactly? Each of these nodes buff a little bit of the stats of your units, in which you can select them in here. All right. Before we get into that, Smaga has finally adjusted all these things into strictly for PvE. So that means they probably need to scrap everything this page into something more useful for PvE. For now, you can expand all these branches until you can unlock these big nodes. But where do you get the currency? The faint mana crystal. So you can get this faint mana crystal by accessing the page of Master of Radiance, and you can buy it from here. So let's get back into the page and talk more about it. So once you expand all these branches into the big purple node, you will see there's a really big buff for this, which require another currency. So this purple currency you will get starting from special rank 10, if I remember correctly. So for PvE, I would recommend to expand this branch on the left and right. The right one is called Epic Insight. And to sum all of these, basically you only need is 90% effectiveness to reach the debuff stat that you want. So these two is just final speed increased by 3, which is not really that important in PvE. And this iron wall is kind of okay. Well, you can increase it if you want, but I personally find Epic Onslaught and Epic Insight to be the top twos to increase. So once you complete like 25 nodes, you will unlock this middle one. It's called Symbol Node, which only boosts like a certain base stats. All right. And also, if you did an oopsie, you can always revert back for just 500k gold. It's kind of cheap. So overall, this is kind of okay, but I feel like this is kind of rushed, to be honest. They should be thinking about this more, I guess. I think that's all for the imprint circuit. Thanks for watching.